Hello, and welcome back to Solo English Podcast. I'm really happy you're spending this time with me today. If you're listening right now, you're doing something very important for your English. You're giving your mind time to hear natural language, to feel the rhythm of English, and to become more comfortable with how English sounds in real life. This lesson is not about memorizing rules. It's about familiarity. When English becomes familiar, confidence follows naturally. Today's lesson focuses on simple, natural sentences that people use every day, at work, with friends, and in daily situations. These are the kinds of sentences native speakers use without thinking, and over time, you can reach that same feeling too. There's nothing you need to do right now except listen. So let's begin gently. Sentence 1. I'll check and get back to you. This sentence is extremely common, especially in work and daily communication. It means you will look at something first, then give an answer later. People use this sentence when they don't have information yet, but they want to sound responsible and polite. It feels calm and professional, not rushed. Sentence 2. I didn't notice that before. This sentence is used when something suddenly becomes clear. Maybe you see a detail you missed earlier, or you understand something in a new way. It sounds honest and thoughtful, and it shows you are paying attention. Sentence 3. That should be fine. This sentence shows agreement, but in a relaxed way. It doesn't sound excited or emotional. It sounds calm and confident. Native speakers often use this sentence when confirming plans, times, or small decisions. Sentence 4. I'm a little busy right now. This is a polite way to say you cannot talk or help at the moment. Adding a little softens the sentence and makes it sound kind, not rude. It's very useful in both personal and professional situations. Sentence 5. Let's talk about it later. This sentence is helpful when the timing is not right. Maybe you're tired, busy, or not ready to discuss something. It keeps the conversation calm and respectful without ending it completely. Sentence 6. I didn't quite understand. This sentence is gentle and polite. It shows that you're listening, but something was unclear. Using quite makes the sentence sound softer and more natural than saying you don't understand. Sentence 7. I'll do my best. This sentence shows effort and sincerity. It doesn't promise perfection, it promises honesty. People use this sentence when they want to show commitment without pressure. Sentence 8. That sounds like a good idea. This sentence expresses agreement and encouragement. It helps conversations feel positive and cooperative. It's very common in group discussions or friendly planning. Sentence 9. I'm still learning. This is a powerful sentence. It shows humility and openness. Native speakers use it not only for language, but for life skills, work, and personal growth. Sentence 10. I'll think it over. This sentence means you need more time to consider something. It sounds mature and thoughtful. It's often used when making decisions or responding to suggestions. Sentence 11. I wasn't aware of that. This sentence is slightly more formal. It's used when you learn something new. It sounds respectful and calm, especially in professional conversations. Sentence 12. I'll make sure of it. This sentence shows responsibility and care. It means you will ensure something happens correctly. It sounds confident and reliable. Sentence 13. That's not what I meant. This sentence is important for avoiding misunderstandings. It helps clarify your intention without sounding defensive. Tone matters here. Calm and gentle works best. Sentence 14. I'm glad it worked out. This sentence is used when a situation ends well. It shows relief and positivity. People often say it after problems are solved or plans succeed. Sentence 15. I'll give it a try. This sentence shows openness and willingness. You're not promising success, just effort. It sounds relaxed and friendly. Sentence 16. I'm not very familiar with that. This is a polite way to say something is new to you. It sounds professional and honest. Very useful in work or learning environments. Sentence 17. That's helpful, thank you. A simple but powerful sentence. It shows appreciation and closes a conversation nicely. Native speakers use this often. Sentence 18. I'll keep you posted. This means you will give updates later. It's common in work situations and group communication. It sounds modern and natural. Sentence 19. I didn't expect it to be like this. This sentence is used when reality feels different than what you imagined. It sounds thoughtful, not emotional. Sentence 20. Everything is going smoothly. This sentence reassures others that things are going well. It sounds calm and positive, often used in progress updates or daily conversations. You've done something meaningful today. By listening to natural English in a relaxed way, you're training your ear, your understanding, and your confidence. There's no rush in language learning. English becomes easier when you give it time and patience. Try listening to this lesson again another day. You may notice that the sentences feel more familiar, and that's real progress. Thank you for being here with Solo English Podcast. I'll be right here with you in the next lesson.